Hello everyone, I'm Stefan, your consultant for Big Kaiser products. Today I would like to, our EWN fine boring head, explain to you how to perform a precise chamfer with the same boring head. EWN, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Hello everyone. As my colleague says, I can perform chamfers as well. You can do this by simply changing the insert holders and choosing another one from my wide selection. There are different angles available. The angles range from 25 to 40 degrees. Just select what is the best for your job. Look at the animation on this video to see how easy it is. Would you like to see for yourself what I am capable of? Call a Big Kaiser colleague and we will be right with you. Stay tuned, see you soon.
Thank you, EWN. Well said. If you would like to know more about our products or try them yourself, just contact me anytime.